Patrick's Garage. Hello, you guys. Today we are talking about car information. What we need to know about using, repairing, and about restoration of our classic and maybe not classic but our useful cars. First of all, we need instruction book for every owner. This particular instruction book for my Volvo 140 series, I bought it book in eBay as more often, about oil, about electrical systems, more very interesting, and specification. You see data, what we need to know about engine, fuel system, and lamps, how to replace them. Okay, and what we need for repairing. Volvo from Heinz 140 series, of course, very useful book. Also service manuals, dealer, and if we have problems with body rust, we need this book, very useful book for car, for body work, for restoration of car. And we can look more closely to this book. If we have questions about welding, this book will clear everything. I firmly believe that this book was very useful for me, but this is just my experience. More old cars rotten with age. And I'm gonna assume it's because they made out of steel. I don't blame salt water. From salt water, body may be irreparably damaged. If you want to carry out with body repairing, strongly advise getting the welding machine. But maybe better to avoid rusty car. This is another thing I forgot to mention at the very beginning. Catalog spare parts. If we need original OEM parts, we can search in this catalog. In nowadays, these catalogs available online. We can googling and maybe for some money we can download them. These pages very useful for searching parts. Okay, and so catalogs from from supplier, you see pictures and also numbers, so very convenient. And this big thick book if we need brake pads, for searching brake pads. You see pictures, brake pads, and numbers, models of cars. Very interesting, very useful. Okay. Bossal. Muffler. exhaust system, you see here. Original numbers, not only Bossal, also original. Let's look Volvo. Where is Volvo? Volvo 140, 160 series. Very interesting book. And if we want repairing engine, we need service manual. You see pictures, color pictures. All are understandable for engine repairing. Service manual and engine designation here. For store these books, I'm using special files. This is Swedish standard, you see, 4 wires and 4 holes on the book. Very useful for saving. For example, let's take. This is about carburetors, our lovely carburetors. And this service manual. You can buy it online on eBay. And then I reprint it. Also, I made these 4 holes. This is Swedish standard. Very interesting book. How we can do these holes with this hole maker, because standard hole maker available only in Sweden. This we can't buy even on eBay. All different topics, new topic, new book, for example. This service manual only about wiring diagrams. You see. Only about wiring system. Spare parts supplier catalog only with Swedish standard 4 holes. Let's look at this catalog. Very interesting with pictures. For searching spare parts. Let's look wires. Oh, you see very interesting systems. Volvo 240 series. Original English, printed in Sweden, Göteborg, and all wire system. Now I know for a fact that this dealer book very useful for repairing. Anyway, most of all done mechanically, not electronically. With electronically, it might be a little bit more difficult than we think. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.